Right, so the market's just opened. We kind of waited a while, so we've had this big dip down. We've hit this big sort of bullish drag back. And then we just got in here. Nothing major, quick pop to the upside, as it were. We could have stayed in it, and it looks like it's still going. But yeah, to be honest with you, just the way the market's been at the minute, it's been very up, down, round and round, you know, pulling back on itself constantly, so I didn't really trust it to go. Obviously, it's absolutely hammering it, but yeah, whatever. Yeah, nice trade for us. We're up nicely on that account now, so yeah, quite happy with that. Right, so looking at this one, we have come up, and we're looking for that rejection of the EMAs there now, which is what we get. So we weren't targeting all the way down at the bottom because we just didn't really think that it would do that for us. So yeah, we were just sort of targeting back into the highs of those previous wicks, and we got it, so can't argue with that one. Right, so looking back at the trade that we've just taken, we actually took a trade before that and got stopped out. So we were looking for it to push back into this EMA, and it did, but it went all the way through it, and then it started coming back down. I entered before it broke, and it went back up to just stop me out before it started that reversal. So, you know, I think taking that trade and then taking the winning trade there, you can definitely see that I didn't wait for confirmation that it was going to start coming back down, that it was going to, you know, break back through the EMA. I think that's the difference between getting stopped out and then a winning trade and it's still going down. So yeah, that's definitely something that we need to consider next time. So looking at this one here, we've got that what we think is a rejection from the 14 EMA. Feel as though we're starting to roll over. We're looking at this as though it's an overall bear flag from that initial push down. We've got that retest and then looking to aim for new lows. What it actually turned out to be is a bull flag on that lower time frame, 2 minute time frame. So yeah, we ended up getting stopped out on this one, which was disappointing, but yeah, just is what it is. You know, another case of where it's just sort of chopping around. It's not really picking a direction yet, so you know, yeah, it is what it is. Nothing we can do about that. So I just wanted to do a little video to sum up the day. We've binned it off. We packed it in. We're down 470 something, I think. We were down 570 something. Now we're down 470 something. As you can see, as we can see, I'm the only one fucking watching this. There is a ridiculous amount of trades that have been taken today. What the fuck? Yeah, just absolutely a disaster today. We've just been chopped out.
of everything. Markets just all over the place. These massive wicks has really, yeah. And it's upsetting, and because we got it, we were right, in theory, everything, the trades that we were taking. I think there was twice we got stopped out for it to immediately go where we needed it to go. There was twice where we missed out on big moves because we sat through a little bit of drawdown, lost faith in the trade, got out just at break even, and then it just hammered the way we wanted it to go. That happened twice. I think the biggest one was 28 points that we missed out on because of it. So yeah, really, really annoying. So this is 2 weeks now, I think, where we've really struggled to trade the market with regards to the way it's moving. Yeah, 2 weeks. Last week was really bad. This week's not really been much better. We've had a green day here and there, but for the most part, we've had 2 weeks worth of red days. I think my discipline today wasn't great, obviously, because I was just getting really angry with it. I did start gambling a little bit, but yeah, just I don't know. I hope it improves, picks up a little bit next week. There's just no real follow-through with the moves, everything is just comes down a little bit, back up, but, I just feel like your stops have to be massive in order to actually get the moves that you want. And yeah, this is very much one step forward, and I mean, certainly today I would say 1 step forward, 3 steps back, because we put the account in the green twice, I think, and just, lost it all again. And now we're 400 and something down. I have an account that's 50% of the way to being past the eval. I'm not trading it. I'm terrified of trading it. I think I put one trade on with one micro contract just to keep the account active. But yeah, this is a new eval that I've been trading for a few days, and yeah, it's been up. I think the highest it's been up is about 90 quid. It's just spent most of the time in the red. We just can't get it up. Yeah. Well, anyway. Yeah. So, yeah. Bad week. Terrible day. Hopefully next week things will improve. Yeah. Hopefully next week it changes, because I don't think I can trade this. Well, no, I can't. It's just too choppy for me. I'm getting chopped out of everything. Entries aren't good enough for it, unfortunately, and we're just getting chopped out of everything. It's like this trade here, this one. I think, where did I? There, got out. There, you see. So you had this big wick at the top, going for that reversal. So we popped up a little bit, put in the top wick, then we started to move down, so we entered the trade. We dropped down by, I don't know, 4 points maybe, and then it just hammered all the way back up here. And it was like, well, that's that then, trade's gone, we're done. And then it did come back, and we were like, you know what, just get out of this trade. I'm sick of this market, I'm sick of watching it, get out of it. And then what does it do? Bang, all the way down here. So that's what we've been dealing with pretty much all day. Just, you're getting the right idea, you're taking the right trades. Oh, but just too much. What the fuck? Right, I'm gonna have to put this down before I fucking smash this.